Hello guys, this video is going to help you a lot and I'm sure about it क्योंकि इसमें जनवरी टू अप्रैल वाले न्यू क्यू कार्ड्स हैं. अब यू मस्ट हैव गॉन थ्रू द लिस्ट और आपको लग रहा होगा कि मैम न्यू क्यू कार्ड्स तो खाली 60-65 ही हैं, बट आप बोल रहे हो कि खाली 17. हाउ कम ओनली 17 न्यू क्यू कार्ड्स? यस गाइज, आपने बिल्कुल ठीक सुना है, खाली 17 न्यू क्यू कार्ड्स है. 1717. अब क्यों आप ऐसा सोच रहे हो कि नहीं हो सकता? क्योंकि गाइज अगर आपको पता हो तो जो हमारे पुराने क्यू कार्ड्स हैं, हमेशा जो भी न्यू लिस्ट अपडेट होती है उसमें मिनिमम 70% ऑफ द क्यू कार्ड्स आर फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस लिस्ट. ठीक है, हमेशा क्यू कार्ड्स रिपीट होते हैं, रीफ्रेज हो जाते हैं क्वेश्चन. इसीलिए जैन टू अप्रैल वाले में खाली 17 न्यू क्यू कार्ड्स है. अब मैं आपको ये जो क्यू कार्ड्स बताने वाली हूँ सारे ध्यान से सुनना. आई एम गोइंग टू हेल्प यू विद द स्टोरी एज वेल कि आप कैसे स्टोरी फ्रेम कर सकते हो फॉर ऑल दी 17 क्यू कार्ड्स. आई नो ये वीडियो थोड़ी सी लेंथी होगी बट इट्स रिकमेंडेड दैट यू वॉच इट अंटिल द एंड, क्योंकि अगर पूरी नहीं देखोगे तो प्रॉब्लम आएगी. चाहे आप 1.5x पे देख लो तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पर देखो पूरी, तभी आपको हर एक क्यू कार्ड की स्टोरी समझ आएगी. आपको पता चलेगा कि हाउ डू यू नीड टू स्पीक इफ यू गेट अ टॉपिक ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर क्यू कार्ड. So guys, let us get started with the first one, and the first cue card is describe a special hotel you stayed in. Describe a special hotel you stayed in. So आप कुछ ऐसा बात कर सकते हो. I would say, well, I have stayed in various hotels, be it 5-star, 3-star, or even a 4-star hotel, or without a star category one also. But I believe one of the best experience was when I stayed in a Airbnb. So basically when I stayed in an Airbnb accommodation, it was in Thekkady, which is in between Munnar and LP. So while we were coming from Munnar or we were going to LP, so we found this Airbnb accommodation in between, and that was in Thekkady. We enjoyed a lot because we got this whole huge room along with a proper, I would say, courtyard area. In that area there was a gym as well, dining table as well as a swing. So I really enjoyed my stay over there, and since that day on I always prefer to take Airbnb accommodation. It's quite friendly, and when you're going with a child, it's always beneficial for you if you are going for more time. But if you are going for only for a day or two, I would always suggest to go to a hotel instead of going to an Airbnb accommodation. So कुछ आप ऐसे बात कर सकते हो. एक स्पेशल होटल. सो स्पेशल क्या था? डिफरेंट सा था, वहाँ पे डिफरेंट सा एक्सपीरियंस था, प्राइवेट एरिया मिला था, and there was no interference at all, so we enjoyed it a lot. Okay, next, describe an aquatic animal. So well, I have been to Goa, Mumbai, Kerala, and I would say these 3 or 4 beach destinations I have been to. So I found dolphins over there, and I really liked the way dolphins enjoy in the water. So I saw various dolphins taking a splash, diving back again and again, and this is what I enjoyed a lot. And I believe dolphins are not afraid of humans. They were enjoying a lot, and when we were in sight of humans, they were not frightened and they were playing the way they wish to. So I really admire this particular animal. आप उसी के बारे में डिटेल में बता सकते हो. You can talk about any other aquatic animal as well, be it jellyfish or some other fish, कुछ भी आप बात कर सकते हो. Talking about the third cue card, and the third one is describe a person who wears unusual clothes. Up here I can recall one incident, unusual clothes. So मुझे ये याद आ रहा है, when I was in my previous office, I remember कि वहाँ पे एक student आता होता था, and I'm not going to take the name of the student, very obedient student he was, but he used to dress in an unusual manner. Red pants, yellow jacket, and I don't know why he used to dress like such only. The way he used to greet as well, वो भी थोड़ा सा different सा ही होता था. I don't know, मुझे थोड़ा सा weird लगता था उसका behavior, और at times the way he used to dress. So yes, I know many other the students were making fun of him that particular time, but I always admired him because of his attitude towards the educators, because of his attitude towards the management. So I really admire this. Yes, he wore unusual clothes. So आप इस तरीके से कोई भी स्टोरी की बात कर सकते हो सकता है आपने जिस इंस्टीट्यूट में कभी पढ़े हो या स्कूल में थे तो कोई एक स्टूडेंट आपको लगा होगा कि अनयूजुअल क्लोथ्स पहन के आया अपने बर्थडे पे, कुछ आप ऐसा बोल सकते हो, एंड वॉट एवर यू फील लाइक. टॉकिंग अबाउट द फोर्थ क्यू कार्ड, टॉक अबाउट योर फेवरेट वेदर. अब गाइज देखो, वेदर और सीजन में ना फर्क होता है. सीजन होते हैं समर, विंटर, ऑटम, स्प्रिंग, ओके, बट वेदर क्या होता है? हॉट, कोल्ड, स्कॉर्चिंग हीट, सनी डे. सो इस तरीके से हम इन्हें वेदर बोल सकते हैं. सो आई रियली एंजॉय द वेदर व्हेन इट्स सनी आउटसाइड. आई वोंट से I like scorching heat, but yes, the weather, it's, I would say, when it's sunny as well, and there is a little bit of cold breeze going on. So I would like to talk about Kasauli. I remember I was in Kasauli last year during the month of August, and that particular time the weather was really good. It was calm, it was pleasant because it was sunny as well as a little bit of cold breeze also. So we really enjoyed the whole day trip. It was a short trip during the month of August, but yeah, we really enjoyed it. So अब आप इससे related कुछ भी explain कर सकते हो पूरा का पूरा related to this. Now the fifth one, talk about an unforgettable bike trip. So guys, मेरे mind में तो हमेशा यही आता है unforgettable bike trip से मनाली. I've been to Manali once, and that too, obviously I went with my husband, and we had this bike trip that time because summer was not born until then. तो बड़ा ही easy था हमारे लिए. We went by bike and we really enjoyed it. It took a lot of time, and the time I reached Manali, I was all tanned as well. It was all red. I remember whenever I see the photographs of Manali, I feel nostalgic as well, and it's like kind of rejuvenation. So, but I would say it was altogether the best trip because it was on bike. We really enjoyed the weather, and throughout the journey the food was also good. And when we reached Manali, we had this my favorite cuisine at Ichiban. I remember, no, it was not Ichiban. I believe there is a Chinese restaurant over there on the mall road, so we really enjoyed it over there. एक्सप्लेन करो, मेकअप अ स्टोरी, बिकॉज एग्जामिनर को आपके आइडियाज से ज्यादा आपकी फ्लुएंसी से मतलब है, आपकी इंग्लिश से मतलब है. सेकेंडली, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू मेक अ स्टोरी, इट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अ लॉट इन स्पीकिंग फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. नाउ सिक्स्थ वन, अ शॉर्ट ट्रिप यू ऑफन टेक बट यू डू नॉट लाइक. अ शॉर्ट ट्रिप यू ऑफन टेक बट यू डू नॉट लाइक. सो कौन सा ट्रिप है जो आप हमेशा लेते हो, मतलब बट यू डू नॉट लाइक? Well, I am a person who likes to travel a lot. So when it comes to traveling, even if I'll be going to Bhakra Nangal Dam, or even if I'll be going to Morni Hills, I'll always like it because it's always about traveling. For me, traveling and food. So if you'll find another YouTube channel of mine someday, you'll find that on traveling or either on food. That I'm very sure about. So क्यों ट्रैवलिंग का ऐसा कुछ हो नहीं सकता? अब आप इस टॉपिक से डाइवर्ट हो रहे हो, पर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बिकॉज फ्लुएंसी पे वर्क करना है. शॉर्ट ट्रिप यू ऑफन टेक बट यू डू नॉट लाइक. सो आई रियली लाइक ऑल द ट्रिप्स, बट येस, आई रिमेंबर वन ऑफ द ट्रिप्स when we went to Morni Hills, and that was also by bike. We did not enjoy because the weather was not good. It was scorching heat that day. We did not enjoy anything. We did not get good food over there. So we came back, like once we reached there, we sat there only for like half an hour or so, and then we came back. And while coming back, we went to Golden Tulip, Morni Hills, and that we enjoyed a lot because the food was, I would say, awesome. Okay, the food was delicious. You can say whatever you feel like. ठीक है? Now, an art exhibition you visited. यार मुझे art exhibition बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है, सच में झूठ नहीं बोलूँगी. So I'm not a person, मुझे boring लगते हैं. But yes, I have been to various exhibitions जहाँ पे paintings portray हुई हैं. I would not talk about an art exhibition, but yes, I have been to doll museum. I have been to one museum in Jaisalmer as well when we were in Rajasthan. So we went to Jaisalmer museum as well. So that was kind of an art museum because it was related to the history, and it has various missiles as well, and I would say various mannequins and the portraits, and I really enjoyed being a part of that exhibition. Otherwise I'm not too fond, but yes, when I'm talking about museums or exhibitions, I can recall one of the experiences in Kisan Bhavan. So I went to Kisan Bhavan with one of my friends, and there we had this. There was some cloth exhibition going on. I believe the country was Singapore, so we really enjoyed that part. And I visit Surajkund every year. सो वो भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सो यू कैन एक्सप्लेन द स्टोरी लाइक सच. यार जो याद आता है वो बोलो, बट बोलो इंग्लिश में, फ्लुएंटली बोलो, एंड इट इज गोइंग टू वर्क wonders for you. I'm sure about it. Now, 8th topic, a piece of international news you have recently heard. इंटरनेशनल न्यूज जो रिसेंटली सुनी है, वैक्सीन. ठीक है, one of my students, he is in Dubai and he is working in a hotel in airport only. So basically when he is working in a hotel, so he was it is mandatory for every citizen or for every employee to get vaccination for COVID. So now he has recently got the vaccination done, but the vaccine is from China only, and they are not sure about it. They are quite skeptical about the side effects of the vaccine. So people are I would say they are apprehensive about it. So कुछ आप ऐसा explain, this is what I recently get to know about this. Moreover, कुछ आप बता सकते हो, ट्रम्प से related some problems are going on, various protests were going on in the parliament and that too in the USA. So उससे related जो भी news याद आ रही है आपको, you can explain one or the other news. Now we have the 9th topic, and that is a phone, computer you enjoy playing, or maybe a phone game or a computer game you enjoy playing since your childhood. So well, I remember when I was a child, I was not given a phone that early. I got my first phone when I was in 12th standard. So that time I really liked this bouncing ball game. I do not actually, I'm unable to recall the name of the game, but I used to like the bouncing ball game, and later on I got to know the trick for the same game. I believe आपने भी कोई ना कोई गेम जरूर खेली होगी, तो जो प्ले करी है ना, मुझे ज़रूर कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना कि कौन सी गेम आपने प्ले करी है. ठीक है, सो कोई गेम जो आप रेगुलरली खेलते थे अपने फ़ोन पे या कंप्यूटर पे, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट दैट. आई रिमेंबर वी यूज टू प्ले लूडो एज वेल ऑन फोन, एंड बड़ा मज़ा आता था उस टाइम पे. सो यू कैन एक्सप्लेन द होल एक्सपीरियंस. सो आफ्टर डिनर टाइम इट वॉज अ फिक्स्ड सिनेरियो. वी यूज टू प्ले गेम्स ऑन फोन फॉर लाइक 15-20 minutes until the time we sleep. So कुछ आप ऐसा whole story you can frame. So guys देखो, in this session I am going to explain you, I'll be explaining you 17 new cue cards topic. बट हो सकता है कि कोई क्यू कार्ड टॉपिक मेरे से मिस हो गया होगा. आउट ऑफ 65 मुझे लग रहा है कि और भी 2-3 टॉपिक्स नए हैं. अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ लगता है, सो डू लेट मी नो सम न्यू टॉपिक इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड दैट टॉपिक आई एम गोइंग टू हाईलाइट, एंड वो और स्टूडेंट्स के साथ भी शेयर होगा, तो इट विल बी हेल्पिंग देम एज वेल. So that you need to do, and it is very important. Okay, now 10th one, a bag you own. I am not a shopaholic person. I do not shop a lot, but yes, whenever I require something, yes, I'm very particular about my things. I want to buy the thing which I am really fond of, which I really like. If I like something at a glimpse, I'm going to rethink and then only I'll buy it. So when I had to purchase one of the bags, so I searched it on various websites, I believe on Myntra, on Tata as well. So I searched it on various applications, but at the end I found one of my favorites on tataclick.com, and I purchased that bag. That bag was I still own that bag. So that bag is from Baggett. It is a mustard yellow color bag, which is one of my favorites color as well. And that is actually a huge bag. So if I'm going for business meetings, or if I'm going for some work, or even if I'm going for traveling, so I usually carry that bag with some of the important things. So that's what I do, and it really helps a lot while traveling, because it's a huge bag. I can carry various things in that. ऐसा कुछ आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो, एंड आई बिलीव इट वुड सफाइस. टॉकिंग अबाउट द 11th वन, अ स्किल यू कैन टीच टू अदर पीपल. सो आई बिलीव आप मुझे बताना वेदर आई एम अ गुड एजुकेटर और नॉट, क्योंकि मुझे तो लगता है मैं पढ़ा सकती हूँ, और मुझे लगता है आप सब लोगों की एप्रिसिएशन के थ्रू आई गेट टू नो कि आप लोगों को समझ में भी आता है. So if I think I can teach to others, I think I possess the skill of teaching, I have patience, I have persistence, and whenever I am teaching, I believe I never get angry with any of my students. So जो भी students मेरे comprehensive course में है, रात को 8 बजे रोज क्लास होती है, so I believe वो हमेशा यही बोलता है कि मैम को गुस्सा नहीं आता. बहुत ही रेयर होगा कभी मुझे आएगा कि यार आपको ये क्यों नहीं समझ आ रहा, अदरवाइज वो भी मैं प्यार से ही बोलती हूँ. So I believe for being a good educator, or if you want to be an educator, you should possess all these skills, and I do have all these skills. So I think I can teach other children, I can teach other students, I can teach others. So this is the skill I possess, and you can explain the whole thing in detail. And I have been teaching for more than a decade, and this is what I have done masters. Up apna scenario, you can just explain the background story. Talking about the 12th cue card, describe an area of science that interests you. So guys, science never interested me. I was forced into science stream when I was in 11th standard, and my mother forced me into this. I'm not complaining, but yes, she wanted me to be into science stream, but I never liked it. But still, if I'll have to tell something about science, we can talk about gravity. आई रियली लाइक दिस प्रिंसिपल. और आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो. कोई और आपको अगर चीज़ अच्छी लगती है साइंस में तो वो आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो डिटेल में, बट यू कैन एक्सप्लेन अ टॉपिक ऑफ योर चॉइस इन दिस सब्जेक्ट. एंड ये आप मुझे भी बताओगे कमेंट सेक्शन में कि साइंस में कौन से टॉपिक से रिलेटेड हम बात कर सकते हैं डिटेल में. नाउ 13th वन, अ ट्रेडिशन इन योर कंट्री. अब क्या ट्रेडिशन की बात कर सकते हो? So, well, after my marriage, I came across one of the traditions in Sikh family, and the tradition is of preparing rice with sugarcane juice, and this is what we usually do on every Lodi. So my mother-in-law prepares it for me. She knows Sonam is very fond of it, so she is going to prepare it for me, sugarcane juice rice, along with this sweet salted raita, and I really liked it. I really like it, and every year she is going to prepare it for me. So this tradition I have seen here only, that during on 14th January every year, on the day of Makar Sankranti, we always prepare this. So this is some tradition which she has been following for a long time, and now also this is continuing in our family. And if I'm going to talk about my maternal family, so every year a day before Lodi we prepare gujiyas along with sweet and salted roti. We do not cook anything until 1 o'clock in the morning on the day of Holi, or on the occasion of Holi, and after 1 only we switch on the burner in the house. So that's what we do. So you can explain some other tradition जो आपको याद आता है. Now गाइज, मुझे पता है ये वीडियो थोड़ी सी लेंदी हो रही है, बट आपको बेनिफिट करेगी क्योंकि 17 क्यू कार्ड्स की पूरी स्टोरी आपको पता चल रही है. आपको पता चल रहा है कि आप क्या क्या बता सकते हो इसमें. सो प्लीज वॉच इट अंटिल द एंड. रुक मत जाना, चाहे 1.5 पे देखो, नोट्स बना लो कि ऐसा कुछ बोल सकते हो. इट विल हेल्प यू, क्योंकि जो आप क्रैम कर रहे हो क्यू कार्ड, उससे आपको कोई बेनिफिट नहीं होगा, स्कोर्स आपके डिटीरियोरेट ही होंगे. नाउ वी हैव द नेक्स्ट वन, एंड द नेक्स्ट इज डिस्क्राइब एन ओकेजन व्हेन यू forgot, or describe a time when you forgot something important. So कुछ important आप कब भूल गए थे? Can you talk about it? क्या हुआ था ऐसा? So you can talk about some occasion. You were going to some wedding and you forgot your cosmetic pouch at home. So it was very quite difficult. Yeah, I remember. Now I can remember जब मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ. So I had to go to this wedding in Jalandhar. It was one of the weddings in obviously in my in-laws side, and I went for this wedding, and that time I got everything. I packed my suit, all the dresses, but I forgot to carry my earrings, and that was one of the things which I really missed, because when you're wearing Indian attire, when you are dressed in Indian attire, you need some good earrings, I would say. I did not I did not get any good earrings in one of the markets nearby, as we were in a village over there. So that I did not get, and that thing was important, I believe, because I was visiting my in-laws place or for some wedding for the first time after my marriage. So it was indeed important. Now 15th topic, describe an ambition you have for a long time. So guys, ambition is, you can talk about any ambition related to IELTS as well. I have got 7.5 in writing, I have got 7 in writing, but my aim is to get 8 in writing and all 9. So 9 in reading, 9 in listening, 9 in speaking as well, and 8 in writing. So this is my aim. This I really want to get. So अब ये एक एम है, ऐसा ही आपका कुछ हो सकता है, ठीक है. So if this is your aim, what are you doing for this? I've started preparing. You can tell one thing or the other. जो आपके mind में आता है, you can just create the background story related to some ambition, or maybe I want to visit Canada as soon as possible. Any story that you feel like, yeah, this is my ambition. Now 16th one, a photo of yourself that you like. So whenever I think about a photograph of mine which I really admire, so I would say that photograph is basically from hospital. So I was in hospital, and I remember that time I just had given birth to my son Samar, and after that time I was shifted to the ward. I was in my room, and my husband came. So he was very happy, and we clicked a selfie that time. So I still have that photograph, and whenever I see that photograph, I feel nostalgic, because that's the time when a new journey began in our life. So कुछ आप ऐसा बता सकते हो, any story, because we met somewhere around 10 years ago, and now we have finished 7 years of our marriage. So around 3.5 years ago this incident happened. Okay, so कुछ आप explain कर सकते हो in detail. Now last but not the least, talk about an expensive activity that you enjoy doing occasionally. An expensive activity that you enjoy doing occasionally. So well, I am a person who likes to relax a lot. So I like to stay in a 5-star hotel occasionally, because I don't want to spend a lot of money on accommodation. I prefer not spending on hotel more. Earlier I used to do this, but I would say occasionally I would like to pamper myself, and that too by staying in a good resort and just enjoying the property, enjoying the beaches, lovely views of the beaches, having a buffet in the hotel, by staying near the or sitting near the swimming pool for long hours. So this is what I enjoy a lot. So आपकी भी कोई ना कोई ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस होगा, या कोई एक्सपेंसिव एक्टिविटी होगी जो आप करना चाहते होंगे, मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना. So guys, that's all for this video. 17 cue cards मैंने आपको explain कर दिए along with the story. So start preparing your cue cards, and if you face difficulty in any of the topics or any of the cue cards, do let me know in the comment section. I'm going to make a separate video for the same. Thank you so much for watching me today.